Really advanced programmers will want to write and debug in CDI. These are the people working with C and Balboa. They need a complete C language-based application development environment for the CDI 180, 181, 182 player or the CDI 605 player. Complete insight into the real-time operating system, CDRTOS, is required. For these people, the perfect answer is Professional CDRTOS. Professional CDRTOS combines the OS 9 operating system with special C language library functions. It is specifically designed to cover all CDI functionality. It's essential for all those software engineers who want to know every detail of the CDI platform. A great deal of CDI application development is done on computer platforms working in C with Balboa. For these environments, C cross-compiling is a must. The application may be fully developed in C language on the Sun, or Mac, or PC workstation. But for it to work, it must be cross-compiled into CDI executable code. SunSpark is an extremely powerful development platform. The Sun cross-compiling environment is called Unibridge. Unibridge can serve as a gateway between Unix and OS 9. Alternatively, it can be run on the SunSpark and the output downloaded. Existing systems on SunSpark can be extended with additional node packages. Other C cross-compilers are available for both Mac and PC platforms. Media Mogul is an easy-to-use application development toolbox aimed at designers using the CDI authoring player. No programming knowledge is needed. The graphical user interface is easy to understand. In fact, the entire approach is so logical, designers can learn all about Media Mogul in 1 or 2 days. Media Mogul is especially suitable for developing series of titles that are along similar lines. A Media Mogul application consists of scripts that are connected together, thus offering the interactivity. Scripts can consist of simple menus with hotspots and highlights up to complete synchronized sequences combining various audio files, full screen and partial screen still images, animations, and partial screen movies. Interactivity is created with branching commands triggered by timers and, if needed, variables. User-controlled branching is dealt with by activating menu screens with hotspots. These features make Media Mogul an ideal application development tool for designers. However, the tool has proven its value in various other stages of the production process as well. Mogul's easy-to-use graphical user interface and its immediate simulation capability make it an ideal tool for prototyping in the design and specification phase. Mogul's point-and-click file director makes it the ideal previewing tool for audio-visual assets during the asset production and conversion phase. Mogul's Insert-on-Click feature allows you to synchronize a sequence while audio is playing at the click of a mouse button. It makes it the ideal synchronizing tool. Although Mogul is an application development tool on its own, it can also export text files with information on synchronizing and hotspot coordinates. This can be used in other application development tools, thus freeing a C programmer from this tedious task. Media Mogul has its own disk-building package, Scriptodisk, which converts any Mogul application into a compact disk image. Can quality CDI titles be built without resorting to complex C language coding? They can indeed, with HAL 90. HAL is short for High Level Authoring Language, and HAL 90 was specially developed for CDI. It runs on a 386 or 486 PC under Microsoft Windows. With HAL 90, applications are developed using a simple question and answer interface. No special skills are necessary. HAL 90's syntax supplies a complete set of multimedia structures. These are called interactive multimedia, or IM models. The IM models reflect typical multimedia configurations. They range from a still picture to a DYUV partial movie with audio track. Each is designed to interact through hotspots. HAL 90 script writing is basically a matter of specifying hotspots and describing the navigation between IM models. The completed script is ready to be compiled into the working application. Media Showcase is a high-level application development toolbox running on the CDI 605 player, targeted at interactive designers and software engineers. As a matter of interest, it was used to develop the program you're watching now. Showcase allows designers with some programming skills to make programs of considerable sophistication. The basis of Media Showcase is CDI Talk. CDI Talk is a powerful, non-technical authoring language. It applies contemporary object-oriented language principles, and these greatly ease the task of the scriptwriter. The objects employed in CDI Talk are the components of CDI applications. Components such as images, cursors, and audio files. The script is written by manipulating these components. The commands used are based on commonly understood CDI terminology. As a result, designers can implement applications quickly, and the results can be seen immediately. Media Showcase is a CDI Talk development environment. It is designed to run on the CDI 605. It provides a mouse-driven window interface. The CDI Talk development environment has many practical features. The script generation tools create sections of script automatically. The file browser makes it easy to save applications and select asset files with these features. Media Showcase is the ideal application development toolbox for designers and programmers who want real control. Control over memory, control over highlighting, control over image sizes and text, control over complex branching structures, and so on. Media Showcase has its own disk-building package, Talk2Disk, which converts any Showcase application into a compact disk image. Custom-built CDI titles were once the exclusive domain of skilled C programmers, and they took a long time to make. Balboa changed all that. The Balboa runtime environment is a library of ready-to-use C routines which were written by leading CDI software specialists, and they create a comfortable development environment for computer platforms. Balboa deals easily with the main data structures used in CDI programming. This removes much of the complexity from application development, so Balboa speeds up the development process. Equally important, it sets programmers free to concentrate on creativity. Balboa uses hierarchical action facilities. This event-driven approach resolves a major difficulty of CDI title development, designing for interactive runtime-created situations. The complete Balboa C environment is an ideal application development environment for skilled programmers. Versions are available for Sun, Mac, and PC platforms.